this has to be the biggest subscriber updates in town. So if you're ready to get subscribers in a legit way using 3 legit strategies without even having to upload videos, without even having to use any app, any tricky app or anything like that, you're going to get subscribers who are not going to unsubscribe. You're also going to get subscribers that YouTube will not go ahead to delete. So if you want it before the end of this year, this is for you. If this is your first time meeting me, hi and welcome. I'm Glory C, and on this channel I share with you tips and strategies that would help small and new content creators. I tell you mistakes you want to avoid and also what you want to do so you can quickly grow and get monetized the organic way on YouTube. So if this sounds like something you want for your own channel, I will encourage you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also give us a thumbs up. Like I would always say, it is free of charge. I'm super excited about this one. So now let's get into it. Now the first one is something that has always been with you, but you've not just been using it the right way. Some of you are already using it, but you're not using it the way it's going to get you subscribers, and that is your community tab. Now this is something, you know, that when you go to your community tab, you're going to see a subscribe button there. So that means anybody that comes to your community tab is going to can easily subscribe. Now you want your community tab to start going viral. Hey, did you hear me? What do you want to do? There are different things. The first one is, have you ever seen some of these big YouTubers? Like what they do is, you might see it on my community tab maybe today or this week anyways, but you'll notice that what they do is they would put some colorful posts. For example, they'll put maybe different pictures of the sun and then put it in different colors and tell you what is the original color of the sun. Please tell me, if you see it, won't you want to answer? This one actually goes viral. I'm going to show you how to generate it. Do not worry, it is very, very simple. Now, before I show you how to do that one, another one is you want to start putting your pictures out there on your community tab, because you also want people to see you. Most times when you just put maybe you just put write-ups on your community tab without putting your picture, some people are not going to know it is you. It is when they see your picture that they are going to be able to tell, this is the person that we always watch. So you want to start using your fine pictures. Then you now put in like posts that are, you know, genuine, heartfelt type of posts that would really relate or resonate with your community. That's what you want to put there. But before that, let's go and let me show you how you want to create this juicy, interesting post. We go over to Pinterest. You now download the exact image you want to use, whether it's an image of a fruit or whatever. For this one, I'm downloading an image of YouTube. You just come to this 3 dots here, tap on it, and you're going to see download image. Do you understand? Now, after you must have downloaded this image, so you just go over to CapCut. You can use CapCut for this. You can use Canva for this. You can use PixArt for this. But what you want to do is to tap on new project, okay? Then tap on photos when you get to CapCut. So just tap on the particular picture, take it into CapCut. Now, the next thing you want to do is tap on the picture, then scroll to where you can see duplicate. Just duplicate 1 to maybe like 4. Please guys, I know a lot of people have been saying it that I'm too fast. Please and please, I'm trying to work on it. I think you can actually go over to settings, like you can see on your screen right now. Go to playback speed and reduce it a bit if you feel like I'm too fast. Please, I'm still working on it. Thank you. So once you are here, now we already have 4 of these images. Now go to where you have your filters, then go ahead and, you know, pick any filter. Okay, let me pick this one. Right, let's just pick something else. Okay, see this one now. You now click on it. So if you look at it, we have different colors. So you just go ahead and export everything, then just start screenshotting. Screenshot. You see this screenshot. Okay, then you just go ahead and, you know, crop it. So the next thing, you're going to see that we now have 4 different ones. Go over to YouTube. What you want to do is to now scroll over to where you have post. So the thing, you now go over to this place that says poll. Just tap on that poll. You can see option 1. You see this picture icon. Just tap on it, pick it. I'm going to tell you what you're going to write. Option 2, pick maybe this one. So these are your 4 options. So you just type in and put it here. Which of these is the real YouTube icon? Then in fact, depending on the type of image you're using, you can put names, maybe silver, gold, and then you just tap on post. I'll show you what it's going to look like. So this is what it's going to look like. I'm super excited. You know, I used to wonder how people used to do this thing. Once you just see it, you'd want to definitely respond because it's fun. It's something that you already know. So the idea is for you to put in questions that you know that people can easily answer. Now this next one is something that really amazed me when I got to know about it, because I was like, please, how is it that I've not heard about this one before? This is commenting on new YouTubers video, but not just any type of comment. See, you see, humans like it when you place them in a place of authority. This is what you're going to do. You're going to go on YouTube, search for your niche on YouTube. Maybe your niche is about subscribers. Now different videos are going to pop up, but you don't just want to tap on any video. You're now going to go to the filter. I'll show you how to do it. You're going to go to the place where you can filter videos. So you're going to filter the videos by their upload dates. Then you're going to check for the one that is very recent. In fact, you can check the ones of like today, the present day. Do you understand? So when you now go through them, you're definitely going to see the ones that are still new. That means subscribers that are still fresh. I mean, YouTubers that are fresh. I remember when I was still fresh on YouTube, people used to do this thing for me. So what you're going to do is you're now going to go into their videos. Remember, they're already doing what you do. So you're going to now comment that, oh, I create similar type of content. Can you please check out what I'm doing wrong? You just tell them that, oh, I create similar type of content and I feel like you do so well on your own channel. Can you please just check mine to see what I'm doing? As long as they are new, they're still fresh, they are going to be willing to help you, because number one, they do not have a lot of people in their comment section. So it's not like they're checking hundreds of people's channels. Do you understand? So they'll be willing to check yours, and they'll also be willing to connect. Most times when you put in something like that, every other person that is watching, remember that they will most likely be in the same niche, so they'll also want to check out your own and also connect with you on your channel. Now this brings me to the last one, this final one, guys. This thing works. Do you know that yesterday night I was live streaming on my channel, and if you were on my live stream yesterday night, you will notice that I literally did nothing. Like, in fact, I did not even turn on my camera. That wasn't a silent live stream, by the way. I was talking to people. I had people join. I had some people even ask me questions, but that wasn't just it. I was not doing anything. No. I'll just put the camera. I was cooking, and then I was even preparing for a class. So I was trying to cook and quickly do everything so I can eat before my class. Then I think that live stream lasted for maybe 32 minutes. Just a very short thing. But do you know that after that live stream, I got an additional 6 subscribers, and I'm not even kidding you. Every of my live streams, I always get additional subscribers. It could be maybe plus 12, plus 6. Some people, it's just that particular live stream that made them to know me, and then they just go ahead to subscribe. And like I would always tell you, in your live stream interface, the subscribe button is always there. Like, that is one of the most legit ways to get subscribers if you want subscribers. So those of you that are looking for that, you already have your watch hours, because some people have been telling me, Glory, say I already have my watch hours, the challenge is subscribers. Go and do these things. You are going to be shocked that you're going to get the subscribers that you need. I love you all. I wish you all well. Don't worry, Christmas bonus is coming. So keep your eyes on my community tab. Bye.